Yeah, because I early morning farm. Yeah, and I Cornwall, my barn. Want another seat, you know. Want another seat, you know. And the famous one this year, you know. Yeah, we call him Jackie, you know. The man here, the realest farmer, you know. More if you big up the farm in a Cornwall for me, you know, general. Yell it up. Big up. Take off your mask, man, and make them see your face and big up the farming, man. Big up somebody.
Farming a Cornwall, we do it, you know.
Yeah, man, serious, man. Alright, look here. Early morning, people. Early morning. You can see it there. Early morning. Them pumpkin are dry so till them a sweat. You can see. So, one of the people them for know say, yo, a farming from morning till a evening, and we love this. We don't embarrass it. And this we do for a living. One of the people them know say, the Crocus bag farmer, Rastafari Soldier, seeing a Saint Elizabeth with there, we don't feel link up so the thing can think up. Yeah, wake up. Yeah, money we are make, and money Friday, seeing, cause you know say the thing set away, so the man have him scale ready for move. Lucy Yam, pumpkin, guinea, we have it set. People, want to link up. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share because it's a real organic. So, never hear about organics, I hit this. Hit this. Put it on your hit list. Yeah. See the man there? Yeah. Reds. Yeah. Link up Jackie, Yag, and Tea. You can find them all at Cornwall and them place there from a farming, evening till a morning. More life, more joy. Of course, more nappiness. You'll be blessed. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Make sure you hit that button that have that bell. More life, yeah.